Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I am joining hashtag 2crafters1design, who are Melissa, who's Moe Creations, Lisa, who's UCYIMADIVA, and Gloria, who is Girlie's Card here on YouTube, and also joining hashtag SatMoreMakes. That's Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Designs Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So with 2crafters1design, they give you a prompt each week, and they want you to use that prompt in some type of creative way, and then share your designs on Saturday morning. For Sat More Makes, that's Jill. She wants you to create items throughout the week and then share your designs on Saturday morning. So I followed the prompt for 2crafters1design this week, and it was doilies. So I have a card to share with you. So let me show you what I used to make the cards. So first up, I used this super pretty crystals from the Diamond Collection from Prima, Said in Crystals. These are just simply gorgeous. I love the different colors, and I just really like these a lot. I also used from Little Birdie some handmade florals. Not many left in this package, but I really like Little Birdie's designs. They're so pretty, and I always love the colors. I think I have one of them turned over here. I'm going to turn that over so you can see. Super pretty. Don't have many left in that pack. And then from Gina Marie Designs, I used the Rick Rack die set. I've used this several times and shared cards that I made with it. Just super reliable. Cuts out beautifully. Just a good anchor in my dies. And then for my doily, I used these doilies from Doodlebug. They're the mini doilies. And these are super thin, which, you know, a lot of the paper doilies are. And you have to be kind of careful when using these to make sure that all of the little punches are punched out. And then also they have this little edge here. I don't know if you can see it there, but I think that comes from manufacturing, and I usually kind of clip that off a little bit because it's, you know, I like to. This doesn't look right to me. So, but I have these in several colors, and I really, really like them. Super easy to use, and that's from Doodlebug Designs mini doilies. So let me share the card with you. So I kind of went back to a design that I used to do quite a bit, and that was use oversized florals in the design. Oops, upside down. And so this particular card would have to be hand delivered or in a package that I send with maybe a gift or something. And so I thought it turned out really cute. I used the nested dies to cut out the center piece here, and then I popped it up with some foam. And the paper that I used, the cream color, is from Joanne. It's the basil paper. And then the other paper is from a collection by Jen Hatfield. I can't think of the name of the collection right now, but super cute. Got my little green crystals on there. I think I made a pretty unique card. I just kind of, once I adhered the doilies to the paper, and then I cut it out with the die, and they cut beautifully because they're super thin, so there was no problem there. But here's my card. So let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you have been a participant for a while or a subscriber for a while, thank you so very much. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.